So in this setup here, I've got the transmitter connected to my laptop just for testing, and it's running a left-right signal. I've got this transmitter set up in transmit and record mode. And then I've got the input type set to stereo. Finding input gain, that top line on the VU meter indicates clipping. So this is reasonably healthy, but obviously it'll be different for you. And that's all you need to set on the transmitter. On the receiver, I've got some headphones plugged in at the moment. This mode is set to receive mode. Don't use IEM mode or camera hop mode, even if you're wanting to use it as an IEM in stereo. And once that is in receive mode, you get out type stereo, and you can then adjust your output level, which comes out on the bottom and is nicely in stereo.